Hey there, green thumbs. Ready to turn your garden into a lush haven even in January? You're in the right place. Today we're talking about how to grow your favorite plants this month in the UK. From veggies and herbs to colorful flowers, I've got all the tips you need to kick off your gardening year strong. Before we get started, let me ask, what's your favorite thing to grow? Share it in the comments below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's cover the basics. January might be chilly, but it's a great time to prepare your garden for success. Here's how to set the stage. Soil preparation. Your soil needs attention too. Begin by clearing any debris or old plants from last season. Then, enrich the soil with compost or manure. This improves fertility and helps the soil hold moisture for the months ahead. Garden layout. Plan your space thoughtfully. Whether you have a big garden or a small balcony, think about where each plant will grow best. Veggies like carrots and spinach need sunny spots, while flowers like hellebores can handle some shade. Watering systems. Set up your watering tools now. A good watering can or drip irrigation system can make things easier. Even in winter, plants need consistent watering, just less than in warmer months. Now, for the exciting part, what to plant in January? Let's dive in. January is a great time to start some vegetables, especially if you have a greenhouse or cold frame. Onions and shallots. Plant sets directly into prepared beds. They'll root now and grow as the weather warms. Garlic. It's your last chance to plant garlic. Place cloves in well-drained soil with the pointy end up. Broad beans. Sow seeds under cloches or in pots indoors. They'll be ready to plant outside by spring. Love fresh herbs. You can grow some, even in winter. Parsley. Start seeds indoors on a sunny windowsill. Keep the soil moist and you'll have a steady supply for soups and stews. Chives. Another easy indoor herb. Chives add fresh flavor to meals and are simple to grow. Thyme. This tough herb can be grown in containers or the garden. It's strong enough to survive the cold. Add color to your garden with these winter-friendly flowers. Hellebores, known as the Christmas rose, these lovely flowers bloom through winter. Plant them in shady spots for a touch of charm. Pansies, these bright flowers, thrive in winter. Use them to add pops of color to borders or pots. Snowdrops, plant bulbs now for beautiful white blooms that signal the arrival of spring. Don't wait too long. Some of these need to be planted soon to take advantage of the season. Gardening isn't just about today. It's about preparing for what's ahead. Stay on top of things with a little planning and care. Garden journal. Keep a record of what you plant, where, and when. Write down notes about what works well and what doesn't. This will save you time and effort in the future. Seed organization. Go through your seed packets. Check for expiration dates and make a planting schedule for the year. This will help you plan for both cool and warm season crops. Crop rotation. Avoid growing the same crops in the same spot every year. Changing planting locations helps reduce pests and diseases. Not a fan of venturing out in the cold? No worries. Here are some enjoyable indoor gardening tasks. Seed starting. Use trays or small pots to start tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants indoors. Keep them in a warm place with plenty of light. Microgreens. Grow quick-sprouting greens like radish, mustard, or cress on your windowsill. They're easy to grow and a healthy addition to your meals. Houseplants. January is a good time to repot your houseplants. Refresh their soil and trim them to encourage strong growth. Gardening in January might seem tough, but it's worth the effort. Every little task you do now sets the foundation for a thriving garden later. Stay consistent and open to trying new ideas. Need more help? Check out our free gardening calendar linked in the description. It's full of monthly tips and reminders. You can also join our online gardening community for advice and inspiration. Together, we can create something wonderful. And there you have it, everything you need to get started with planting in January. Whether you're growing vegetables, herbs, or flowers, this is your chance to turn your garden plans into reality. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a gardening friend. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and ideas. In our next video, we'll show you how to prune fruit trees for a bigger harvest. Don't miss it. Happy gardening, and see you soon.